Hi friends, today we are going to see the essay on Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation and a great thinker. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat, India. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putalibai. Gandhi's childhood was shaped by a deeply religious environment. His mother instilled in him the values of truth, non-violence, discipline, and self-control, which guided him throughout his life, education, and early life. Gandhi received his early education in Porbandar and later in Rajkot. At the young age of 13, he was married to Kasturba Gandhi. In 1888, he went to England to study law. There he earned a degree in law and became a barrister. Although he lived in a western country, he held tightly to Indian values and remained deeply connected to his culture. Satyagraha in South Africa. He was once thrown out of a train despite having a valid first class ticket. This incident led him to start his first non violent protest. In South Africa, Gandhi developed the concept of satyagraha, a peaceful method of protest against injustice. Freedom movement in India. Gandhi returned to India in 1915 and soon became involved in the Indian freedom struggle. His first major success came in Champaran in 1917, where he supported farmers against British operations. In 1990, after the Unjust Rowlatt Act, he led mass protests across the country. His method was always non-violent and based on truth. In 1920, he launched the non-cooperation movement, encouraging Indians to boycott British goods, schools, and institutions. He promoted Swadeshi and made the spinning wheel, charkha, a symbol of self-reliance. Gandhi lived a very simple life, wearing khadi clothes, following a vegetarian diet, and advocating for cleanliness and equality. One of his most iconic moments was the Dandi March in 1930 to protest against the British salt tax. He walked to 40 miles to the sea to make salt. This peaceful protest attracted global attention and strengthened the independence movement. Philosophy of non-violence and truth. Gandhi's entire movement was based on truth, satya, and non-violence, ahimsa. He believed that violence could never bring about lasting change. His principles inspired leaders across the world, including Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. Gandhi strongly opposed violence and believed in unity among religions and communities. He worked tirelessly for the upliftment of the poor, women, and untouchables, whom he respectfully called Harijans. Conclusion: Mahatma Gandhi was not just a political leader but a moral force, a visionary, and a global icon of peace. His life was his message: simple living, high thinking, and deep commitment to truth and justice. Even today, his philosophy is relevant in a world filled with conflict, hate, and inequality. If we wish to bring change, we must begin with ourselves, just as Gandhi said. Be the change you wish to see in the world. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks.